So today we are going to discuss the supply chain financing. What is this and how blockchain can play a very important role in this supply chain financing. Basically, when some purchaser do some purchase order and supplier sends their good according to the purchase order, then several other parties are involved, like some logistic entities, some financing institutions are involved. So there are lots of the communications happen, and in that very process of exchanging information and sending goods via some physical medium, then lots of the delay and the paperwork is involved, where a blockchain can play that important role. So let's start now. I have taken this simple example. So firstly, I will discuss this very process of supply chain and the role of financial institution in that. So suppose this is a purchaser and this is supplier, this is logistic entities, and this is the financial institutions. So you may take in just for understanding. Uh, Suppose this is the Britannia is purchaser, and suppose is this giving some order and send this purchase order to supplier. Then the supplier will send good to some logistic partner, and these logistic partner will deliver that goods to purchaser. Parallelly, the supplier will send the invoice to purchaser, and this invoice, this supplier will forward to financing institution. After receiving of the goods, this purchaser will validate this invoice, and the goods, whether it is goods are received, a quality checking, inventory related kind of thing. And after this all validation and quality checking, GRN will be generated, that is good receipt note will be generated. After generation of this GRN, this purchaser will send this GRN notification to the financing institution. Here one thing we should understand, suppose this purchaser is have some good credit in the market, but this supplier is a small entity, and any financial institution would not like to finance because they are they have not enough trust that whether this supplier will return that amount or not. But they trust on this good brand purchaser. I'm taking it just for example to understand. Then after receiving of this invoice from this supplier, this financing institution have trust on this good brand purchaser. Then after receiving of this GRN notification, this fund release check can be done by this financing institution. The credit he will check and then can send the duplicate check. Credit check and duplicate check. And after that, this financing institution will send, if they will release some funds to the supplier. And this will be very helpful for the supplier. After that, this financing institution can take that amount by sending the supplier payment notification to purchase. And then some kind of reminder may be needed, and this OEM pays to financier by the purchase. So we have some challenges in this that difficult to obtain a consistent view of status across all the entities involved here. Sometimes it is possible that some fraudulent supplier may do some may submit their invoice to more than one financing institution, and a kind of double spending problem occurs. So blockchain can take a lead on that, and the blockchain platform can provide a solution to avoid this type of activities. Blockchain can reduce the error, and some manual kind of thing is involved here. So this is the another issue, that is the manual. All these things are manual. Another issues we have, so many costs are involved because of this overheads. In emerging countries like India, only a small fraction of potential market trapped by financing institutions. So these are the challenges we have in supply chain financing, and which can be solved by blockchain platform. So the blockchain solution will have the following solutions can be provided to corporate buyer, raise purchase order or upload digitized purchase order. The status of purchase order can be seen. The status of GRN can be seen on the blockchain platform by the corporate buyer. The corporate receiver may receive the goods from the logistic player, check the reflection of GRN status on the blockchain ledger. They can record any rejected item from the production lines or after quality check. For supplier, they can respond to purchase order by raising an invoice. They can raise ASN or correct ASN based on the 3PL's dispatch schedule. Multiple invoices against one purchase order is allowed. See the GRN status of the ship goods, the payment of the status of that invoice. So these are the some roles and responsibilities will be on that blockchain solution, and the benefits as well. So third-party logistic publish dispatch schedule, record time of arrival, record time of receipt of receiver, proof of shipping commitment. So these are some. Now other benefits related to financer, that visibility of all purchase order and invoices, visibility into GRN status, invoice financing advice detail from purchaser. So these type payments related information, approval of financing. So it is beneficial for all the entities involved on that. Ecosystem benefits, definitely for the supplier and buyers, smart contract will eliminate the error due to some manual steps. And suppliers and financer के बीच में जो they will have smart contract which will result in automated platform, and definitely it will reduce time for financing. For buyer, it will be easy access for all the financing, and which will improve the supplier performance. For financer, definitely it will reduce time for all these process, and a transparent environment will be for all the involved participant in that. So this is the all things, benefits we have on that finance, supply chain financing. So enough for today. In the next video lecture, I will talk about the next use case. Thank you.